exposing the mystery behind joint cracking. It's not just for old folks, so why do our joints crack? It's actually pretty cool science. Inside your joints, there's a fluid called synovial fluid. When you move, gas bubbles in this fluid can pop, making that cracking sound. Think of it like popping bubble wrap, but inside your body. Another reason? Tendons, the tissues connecting muscles to bones, can move over your bones and create a snapping sound. No worries, it's usually harmless. So, next time someone gives you a weird look for cracking your knuckles, just tell them it's basic science in action. And hey, it might even feel kind of satisfying. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like button.